Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be introducing a new series that I want to implement into the Ecom Warriors channel. We're going to be creating a set of videos, probably about 15 videos, where we break down Facebook advertising. And one of the videos that I want to talk about is we're going to be talking about what is an awareness ad, what is a consideration ad, what is a conversion ad. That's all going to be in one video. Then we're going to have one video for each specific type of ad. So a specific ad for brand awareness, specific ad for reach, specific ad for traffic, specific ad for engagement, etc. We'll go down the line. And then we're going to create another another video on split testing, really what that is, and just explaining the whole process behind that. And then we're going to talk about scaling, okay? So guys, if you're interested, you'll see a link in the description with every, or you'll see a link in the description to the playlist, and you might even see a bunch of links to all these specific ads depending on when we put them out, or the videos depending on when we put them out, okay? So, all I want to say is just enjoy the series, guys. This is a series that we created just so that people can gain some awareness as to, like I said, not teaching you or giving you the fish, but teaching you how to fish. Because I think it's important that people realize that creating ads is one of those things that can make or break you. And when I say make or break, they can make, you can essentially make it in life, right? Where you can wake up the next day truly a millionaire, assuming you have enough money in your bank account to pay for the ads, right? Or they can make you lose the shirt on your back, right? And there's a lot of ways to go about doing ads, but there's only like one real process, and that real process starts off by understanding what an ad is, and every aspect to the platform of where you're going to be spending those ads. So that's all I got to say for this video, and just enjoy the series, okay? So click on the link in the description, and you'll see all the ads, and of course, subscribe to Ecom Warriors. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.